All right, so here we are, August 28th, and I'm gonna add another honey super on. Probably we got like 3 or 4 drawn frames, but the rest is undrawn. It's more for space for the girls than it is for actually storing honey. So make sure you're seeing what I'm seeing. Let's pop off the queen excluder. Let's go. So let's see what we're up to today. There it goes. All right, let's just slide that over a little bit. So a nice, beautiful day. Hopefully everybody's out looking, foraging. Hopefully they're bringing some pollen. I don't know about everybody else, but all my splits have very little pollen. There's a bee coming out right now. Emerging bee right there. So she was on the outer frame, and she is not, yeah, I don't see any eggs. She has not come back through, so understandable. Come on, girls, back it up a little bit. I'm gonna clean that shoulder so we can get at it. I'm trying to do a little cleaning before fall. Oh boy, what's that? Look at that. So that's a queen cup up top that got chewed through the side. So I am going to, I'm a righty, so I can't hold it and you can see it. Ooh, there's something yellow in it. Looks like pollen. That's another, it's like there's a row of 3 queen cups. All right, so what are we up to, ladies? Maybe I'm not giving you enough space. Now I really got to pay attention. All right, we've got a lot of cups. A lot of cups, nothing in them. Okay. So, I might have made a big mistake here and pinched them down too much. They needed the box space, but they didn't need the frame space apparently. Sorry, I'm trying to look for more. All right, so I got to take my time with this one. But there wasn't an egg in that, but they certainly are building a lot of cups, and that's the outer frame, outer second frame. So let's see what's in the center and see what they're up to. All right, there's a cup. There's a bunch of cups. Let me see if I can find my queen before I start chopping. All right, so we're cup happy again. I can't say that it would be because the flow is cranking again. It doesn't seem like it has really kicked off yet. Okay, looks good. Looks good, ladies. What are we up to? What are we up to? Did I do something wrong? I think I did. I took too much space, didn't I? So, if you watch the honey super part, the whole super just above the excluder, the first one, is practically empty, and it's drawn. So they've got plenty of space to put nectar. But I guess, oh, look at that brood. Look at you go. Look at you go. Here we are, September, almost September. All right, I like it, ladies. Still cranking the brood. Those are my winter bees coming in. Those are my winter bees. Starting, I do believe. All right, and so this is not drawn really well. So I'm gonna leave it the way it is. Maybe they will draw it, maybe they won't. But if they don't, I'll just kick it out to the outer edge when she really starts to slow down. We do our fall stuffing when we start once we pull the last super, we'll leave one super on, and then we'll just start feeding, and hopefully she'll start backfilling, or they'll start backfilling all the way down into the deep frames. All right, there's my girl right there. She looks good. I'm gonna look for queen cup cells slash, look at you, you are huge. She looks really good. She does. So you guys have been following this queen for 2 years. Of course, right dead center, look at that. How lucky I get with that one. It usually don't happen. So there she is. I'm gonna try to turn in the sun a little bit. You can see her coloring better. Yeah, 2 years. She's been going good. All right, little lady. Double check I don't see anything else. Don't start anything. All right, looks good. So that's it. I'm gonna give them a little space, and like I said, it's that time. It's that fine line and time of year where if you give them too much honey super space, when you go to extract, you got a bunch of half frames, not finished frames. What the best plan, my plan is to queen cup, cup, nothing in it. Good job, ladies. My plan is to hopefully fill those 2 top supers. I get one, they keep one, and then they backfill a little bit down into the brood chamber as she slows down going into the end of September into October. That's the plan. But if this was the end of the year right now, I'd have nothing and they would have super full of honey. But I'm fine with that. I honestly don't think this fall flow is going to be anything exciting. So just because of the drought we've had. The pollen's telling me a tale that I don't like. All right, she is really still stuffing these. Yeah, all my, see, this is a perfect example. Whoop, there's some cups. Ladies. Oops. Cup. That's drone. They're still doing a few drones. But, like you, if I can see, whoa boy, what did I just do? Hold on. So if you look up here where my thumb is, that's all beautiful pollen in there. Right, and that's right next to the brood, and that's where these hives have done a great job. These production hives that came out of the winter and went right to production hives, they have plenty of pollen, but my hives that just started out as splits do not. So they're gonna get some pollen patties this week. I'm gonna get my order in, and then probably that's it. Some pollen patties, and I mean, here's another good frame of pollen. Not totally stuffed, but they've got enough. That's another good frame of pollen. So that's close. So that's what, second to the outer edge. So we're getting there. We're getting there, little ladies. We're getting there. Okay, I'm gonna shave that one. I know my queen's down there. All right, I'm gonna get the propolis off the shoulders so they fit better. Come on, ladies, slide it over. There we go. All right, now we're getting a little extra room. All right, that is a complete frame of pollen. That is 2. So this is what I'm talking about. This is actually even a better example. I'm gonna try to get, actually what I'll do, the camera's into the video. So what you're seeing here is a better view of the pollen in the corners. Well, the whole frame actually. Come on, girls. Now you get to see it. That's not what I'm seeing in my other hives. So anyways, hope everybody's doing good. Thank you for watching.